Every year, the induction of graduates into the Full Sail Hall of Fame is the capstone of a week's worth of events on campus. During Hall of Fame week, students attend lectures, educational panels, and workshops learning from industry experts and mentors. There's a career expo that connects students and graduates with employers, and a tech expo that gives them a hands-on look at some of the newest technology in the field. Alongside these conference-style opportunities to learn and network, there's also a whole lot of fun. From the Midway-style games and challenges of the creative experience and the displays of students' creativity and community to interactive esports competitions, cosplay contests, and a giant block party, Hall of Fame Week is a tribute to our accomplished alumni and a celebration of the Full Sail community's creative spirit.